Hello, this is Chris at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala. The phone number here at the dealership is 352-694-1234, and we're centrally located at 2261 Southwest College Road. Just a quick moment to highlight a fresh arrival. This is a 2014 Chrysler Town & Country. Has the upgraded Touring Edition package. This is a 14 that just turned 80,000 miles on it. Has 17 service records in the CARFAX, and it's actually, if you think it looks great for a 14 on the outside, you should see how nice it is on the inside. One of the first places to look on a van is this rear cargo area. If you'll just look at the carpet in here, it's just amazing. The leather's fantastic. You can see it has an entertainment system up there. And this is a Touring Edition. This was a very well-equipped version for Chrysler. This is a 14 with 17 service records in the CARFAX. Just turned 80,000 miles. And this leather and floor and the seat tops are just in fantastic condition. Entertainment system, steering wheel controls, a smoke-free cabin, and just a nice van. So if you, in these days of $40,000, $50,000, $60,000 vehicles, if you'd like a nice one for less than 20, let me recommend this one. No lights, comes with warranty. This is Chris at Prestige, just taking a quick 90 seconds to highlight a fresh arrival. Chrysler Town & Country, quad captain chairs, lots of CARFAX maintenance records, and you can see by the condition of the interior, just in fantastic condition. I'm at 694-1234. This is Chris at Prestige. We'll see you at the store.